From the very beginning, we believed that this claim was a spurious one. It was unsubstantiated, and we're glad that Justice Abel was able to give a decision so overwhelmingly in our favor and dismiss all 14 claims in this matter. I think it was important that Justice Abel pointed out that this is really an internal political matter, and the courts have no business interfering in internal political matters. I must say that the claim, which I have not been served with the claim, neither was Ms. Usher. She's out of the country. And really the claim revolved around baseless and false accusations against her, statements made by her. And it's unfortunate and really discouraging to see a member of the party make claims against a sitting member of the National Executive, a member of the ODS, and of course the chairperson of the vetting committee. But it seems that they would have stooped at anything to get their way. So I'm glad that the court was able to see through it and give us a judgment that we believe is the right one.
There was a point of contention in terms of whether the rule or the terms of reference as it relates to the vetting committee, if the vetting committee actually has the power to reject, or if it's the National Party Council. Speak to that, and as well, does that mean that there needs to be a reform maybe in the constitution of the People's United Party?
We've spoken about perhaps formalizing the procedures when it comes to vetting of candidates and selection of candidates. But what I can state for the record, one, that the process that we used this year, and we continue to use it because some conventions are still upcoming, is one that we've used in the past, is to the National Executive creates a vetting committee made up of members of the National Executive. That vetting committee vets all applications for all the constituencies, for all applicants, and then they make recommendations to the National Executive, and the National Executive decides if they are going to accept it or not. Every single application that went before the vetting committee, those that were accepted and those that were rejected, were then taken to the subsequent meeting of the National Executive, and the decisions were either ratified or not ratified. When it comes to the creation of the National Executive, the vetting committee, it's done by the National Executive. What counsel for the applicant was claiming in here that it's a committee of the National Party Council is inaccurate. And it's what it is. It's a vetting committee. It does not make final decisions on any person. That is done by the National Executive of the party.